So let's talk about why crypto's in the red. Why is it down? We had a great day yesterday, Austin. What the heck? What the heck is going on? Why are we down? Why have we dropped 5.9%? Why has Bitcoin dropped below 40,000? Ethereum dropping 25.94, each one of them down 7 and 4, almost 5% respectively. We're going to dig into that in this video. So if you've been trying to figure out why crypto's down, here you go. All right, so we had a really great day yesterday. It was nice run up. You can see it in the chart right here. Looked really good right here on this chart for Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see that they obviously follow each other. Bitcoin and Ethereum making up over 60% of the overall $1.82 trillion market cap. The rest of the altcoins follow Bitcoin and Ethereum. We know this. I've talked about this at length. But right here, this second, we've got a situation playing out. My computer's acting a little weird. Let me refresh this. We got a situation playing out where the Dow and NASDAQ are down dramatically, 342 and 243. Austin, crypto has nothing to do with the overall stock market. Yes, it absolutely does. In times right here, right now, where we're at with what is going on with the Russia-Ukraine war, that is having an impact. So basically the peace talks, if you will, that were happening between Russia and Ukraine have stopped. They've faltered. I fully expected that to happen. I mean, I didn't expect any major thing to come out of that. So we have that in play. Peace talks falter right here. You can see that's main story right here. But really, this is also in play as well. We have inflation has set a fresh 40-year high here in the States. Okay, so what this is that the inflation data report came in today. Everybody expected it to be grim. Didn't expect it to be great. That's impacting what you see in the Dow and the NASDAQ, which is having a major bleed over factor into crypto. Those are really the major underlying things that are transpiring right here, right now in the overall crypto market. That's it. That's what's going on, guys. And I fully expect this bleed to continue because the market has to digest this data, this inflation data being insanely high, again, reaching a 40-year high. That's insane because inflation matters because really what it comes down to, oh, by the way, is everything just costs more. People have less money to spend when they go to the store. Their groceries, their chicken, meat, everything, vegetables, fruits, everything else, everything is just simply going to be more expensive. Oh, and you got a big thing going on here with the cost of oil, crude oil going up because of the Russia-Ukraine war, because of the United States and other, other European countries basically now saying, hey, we're no longer going to take Russian oil and Russian gas, natural gas. That's going to raise the price of crude oil over time, which is going to ultimately raise the price of what? Fuel, gas, which is going to impact everything else. Now, you might be saying, Austin, this is just a litany. There's a good word. That's your word of the day. This is a litany of bad information. When is it going to stop? And the truth of the matter is that nobody really knows, okay? This is one of those situations where this is unprecedented. Nobody saw the Russia-Ukraine war. Actually, there's people who say they saw it for various reasons, but my point to you is that this is all came out of left field, respectively, right? And it's one of those deals where I think of it, how I think of it is I'm very visual in how my brain works, and I think of us as the crypto boat is on the ocean, and it really is just being moved around by either calm seas, where those equal green days, right? Smooth sailing, calm seas with wind behind our back, and we're moving forward, or you've got these rough weather days, these rough wavy days where we're just literally just being, buoyed about, getting some good words today, buoyed about on these rough waves. And that's really where we're at. And we're going to have, I believe sincerely, a mix of both. We're going to have calm green sailing, green days with wind behind our backs. We're going to have those days. We're going to have these days. Well, Austin, you just pretty much explained the overall, stock market and crypto markets. Yes, I know that was a very simple analogy, but you get my point, okay? I have a lot of new investors in crypto and investors in general that follow my channel, so I have to make sure that I'm speaking to everybody in these videos. At the end of the day, here's where it comes down for me. I still believe in the overall long-term vision of crypto. Crypto is going to get bigger over time. The overall market eventually is going to be a 3, 4, 5 trillion, $6 trillion market. It will at some point in time in the future. So fundamentally, I'm standing put. I love crypto. I love investing in it. I love the volatility of it. I love the emotional aspect that crypto brings out in all of us. And so I'm here. These are the days that the smart money is investing. You make money by investing at the right time. It's hard to do. Invest when things are red, not investment advice. Do what's right for you. okay? But the smart money buys in when things are down, okay? So I'm going to leave you with that in that context. Before I do leave you, I need to make you aware. In the description below is a link to iTrust Capital. This is the company that I use, by the way. This is if you've been thinking about trying to figure out and get a IRA retirement account. Oh, by the way, hey, you want to buy and sell crypto in that account? iTrust Capital pretty much is the major game in town. So in the referral link below, yes, it's a referral scenario, so I do get a referral for that. If you click on that and you open an account, which is free, by the way, then you get access to everything. You can see it. And then if you fund the account with a little bit of money, you get $100 from iTrust deposited in your account. That's pretty cool. All right. So check that out. Links in the description below. Free to sign up. Check it out. If you've been thinking about wanting an IRA retirement account, oh, by the way, you can buy and sell crypto. This is how you do it. As always, I want you to know I appreciate you. Thank you for spending some time with me and watching this video. I'll see you later. Take it easy.